Hey, welcome guys back to Man Meets Garage. My name is Larry, and on today's episode we are working on this 2017 Toyota Tundra. It's my neighbor's. My buddy Max at CA Tune, he's already installed the lift. Let's check it out. The wheels, the tires, looking sweet. We are installing the exhaust. The guys already installed the running boards, looking really nice, from Magnum. And we are installing a Flowmaster? Flowmaster. Dual exhaust. And we'll hear a comparison after. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is a cab back exhaust. Looks like we're gonna unbolt right here, right there, a few brackets, a few hooks, and we'll drop it down. Alright, so the exhaust is out. Probably took us about 15 or 20 minutes. I mean, there's 3 of us, but that was pretty quick. So now we're going to install the Flowmaster.
No, the other one.
There's Steven. There's Troy, my neighbors.
Hello!
Coming along, it's looking good. Just finishing up the tips, making sure they are perfect and not sticking out too much. This guy likes everything sticking out a lot, so we're trying to help him out.
Well,
make sure
everything. Pay money, I might as well show it off.
20 minutes later.
Lower the damn prices and I won't have it sticking out so much.
1 hour later.
It's still loose. Yeah, what is it? I wonder if it's because it's not on all the way.
One of the nuts and bolts tightens up the Flowmaster tips. Was stripped factory, so now we're trying to find something that can actually fit here and tighten up so these tips can stay nice and tight and fit. So we are finally done. Everything went great. We struggled a little bit. One of the bolts and nuts was a little bit stripped, but we found another one. I thank goodness for the neighbor. But we're gonna be starting up right now, so stay tuned. Alright, give it a thumbs up, you guys. Sounds great inside, outside. It's beautiful. It launches very well. It looks pretty sweet. Pretty clean. Awesome exhaust. Love it. Thanks for watching Man Meets Garage. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up.